Finally, a more concrete design that Criswell and Guterman talk about in the textbook, and I have the 2014 edition. The concrete example is an experimental design project called Effects of Classroom Structure on Student Achievement Goal Orientation. This is described from the textbook, and it consists of 3 elementary schools being assigned randomly to one classroom structure condition. Those conditions that are assigned are the token economy, contingency contract, and a control. The students set individual achievement goals weekly. The author of this study assessed differences in goal orientation by comparing the number of learning versus performance goals that students set within and across classroom structure conditions. The independent variable in this analysis was the classroom structure, and those were the 3 different ones. And the dependent variable was the goal type that the students set. A two-way analysis for variance was used for analyzing the data. And then overall, the book just states this study provides strong evidence that the classroom evaluation structure can influence student achievement goal orientation. So through this experimental design process, educators can learn and apply this information about classroom structure and goal orientation. So this was just more of a concrete example that the book shares of a study done, an experimental design research study done to help support classroom structure, goal setting in the field of education.